Welcome to
Fan
Wait.
Uh-oh! Something's broken! Drag the scanner to check it out! You're so smart! Super! We need to take parts off the drilling tractor! Keep going! Perfect! What do we fix first? The pipe is broken. No gasoline is coming in. Use the tool to cut the chains. Pick up all the junk with wires. You're so smart. Wonderful. Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. I knew you could do it. The engine's broken. Let's take a look at it. Dust and dirt. Awesome! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Excellent. That's it. Let's install the new parts in the engine. Super! Perfect! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. You solved the problem! All done! Now help to assemble drilling tractor. I appreciate it. Congratulations! I'm impressed. We'll fix it now. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! To fix it, we need to take apart the bucket wheel excavator. Keep going. Perfect. Now we can fix it. Choose what were dents. Let's level them out. We need to remove the rocks with pliers. Excellent. Wonderful. Use a hammer to level out the dents. Excellent. Magnificent. The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. You solved the problem. The track is broken. Uh-oh. Excavator.